Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday. Wednesday, May the 11th, 2022. We have here six extra puzzles, but half of them I will solve. And the first one I have already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars left, and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle number 4539. 4539. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Think. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, we have always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this box should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, the fourth O, then we still have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. 3. Think. I think we need to compare here. But we have only one column. 1001. Okay. How about the rows? 1001. 1001. O. This row and that row. 1100001100 empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O this should be a 1. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Then Still need to compare the columns, I believe. This column and that column. 0011110011, empty box, empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Okay, and then well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 1s in this row. Yes, not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. A lot of comparing, but I've managed to solve this again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.